Hey everyone, it's Cheri. I just wanted to come on here and share with you a project that I created. I haven't really done a whole lot of creating lately, but I was definitely inspired by one of my friends who sent me a Happy Mail package. She was just sending me some fun Halloween stuff because we both love Halloween, and she also sent me some Sephora samples, so I thought it would be cute to do a swap with her and send her a little Happy Mail back. So I just was in my room kind of rearranging everything, and I was like, oh, I remember I have this packaging I wanted to reuse. So this is just some clear plastic packaging that I kept from some Christmas decor I had bought, and I thought that I could do something like this with it. Sometimes I have these creative ideas and I don't follow through, and I just kind of have them laying around, but I'm really glad that today I remembered about this and I was inspired by her package, so I went ahead and created this cute little Happy Mail gift package for my friend. And I wanted to share it with you because I wanted to share that you can reuse things for other purposes. And I know I say that a lot on my channel, but you know, most people would just take this and throw it in the recycle bin and never think about it again. But I think this is completely a fun way to jazz up someone's Christmas gift, birthday gift, Mother's Day gift, whatever. Look how fun this is. Wouldn't you like to receive something that looked like this? It's like, I wanted to do this like 3D kind of look. So I wanted something on the front of the package. Since it's clear, you could see the back where I put the paper. And then also I wanted to create some dimension with this cluster, so I kind of propped some things up just to create depth with that as well. This came out so cute. I'm so in love with it. I hope she really likes this. I mean, this is something that she could reuse. Again, she could put Halloween decor in here. She could put cards in here. She could use this as decor. She could put, I don't know, she could re-gift this to somebody else. I don't know, but I just think that this is really fun and cute, and I hope she really likes it. So I wanted to share with you this little project. Sorry I haven't been really crafting that much, but I haven't really been inspired, but this really inspired me, and I think it came out really fun and cute. So here's the top. I just cut some Halloween paper out and kind of put it where I wanted some paper to be, and just put a little boo here with a little thing. And then inside I'm going to put her Happy Mail, and you can see down there I put some spiderweb paper at the bottom. And I didn't want to close it off too much. I was going to put some paper on the sides, but then I was like, no, it's starting to look like, you know, a regular gift box now. I want it to be very 3D, and I want it to look very different and unique. So this is what I came up with. I thought it was really, really fun, and I hope she likes it. I'm gonna go ahead and fill it now.
Bye.